In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Binance using the Binance Refer and Earn program in 2025. If you're looking to earn a bit of extra income by leveraging your network, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, grab your device and open up your Binance app. Once you're in, navigate over to your profile section. This will typically be in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by either a person icon or a silhouette. From there, look for the referral option. Clicking this will open up the Binance Referral and Earn section, the key to unlocking potential income just by sharing a link. Now, once you're in the referral section, you'll want to locate your unique referral link or code. This is essentially your gateway to earning rewards. Binance generates a special link or code that is tied to your account, making it easy to track any new users signing up because of you. Take a moment to copy this link or note down the referral code. With your referral link ready, the next step is to share it with your friends, family, or followers. Think about the platforms you're most active on. Maybe it's social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or perhaps even a group chat with friends. Sharing the link on platforms where you have a presence or following can help maximize the number of people who might use the link to sign up. You could even craft a short, engaging message to go along with the link, explaining the benefits of joining Binance and how both of you could earn from it. Now comes the rewarding part. Each time your friends or those from your network use your referral link or code to sign up and start trading on Binance, you earn commissions. This is where the real potential of passive income comes in. You are rewarded with a percentage of the trading fees that your referrals generate. Essentially, as they trade and engage with the platform, your earnings can accumulate over time. It's a wonderful way to leverage your connections for potential financial gain. And just like that, you've set in motion a process that can bring in earnings while you focus on other things. Remember, the key here is spreading the word and encouraging more people to sign up using your unique link. The more people you refer, the greater your commission potential and passive income stream can become. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you could be earning from Binance's Refer and Earn program. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy earning on Binance.